Hey, this is Pierre Zaco talking. I had this question several times. People were asking me, can we archive a channel or can we archive a team? So we cannot archive a channel yet. There's a feature that is coming soon, I think next year, but there's a feature to archive a team. But what does it mean to archive a team and how do you archive a team? So let me show you how you can do that. First, you need to know that you need to be owner if you want to archive a team. Second, if you want to archive a team, in the new team, you need to go into the manage teams. In the old team, there's a manage teams somewhere down this left tray. And here you can see all the teams. So I'm going to look for a team where I'm a owner. So I'm alone in the team. So I can show you this team and I'll come back there. So this is a team with some chats, but I'm alone in a team, wherever. It can be several people in the team. So here's the team, and right now I can really post whatever I want. I can write a post before I archive, and I can post this message. Hopefully, I can post it. Please type a message. Okay, you want a message. So here is my last message. So I'm gonna post it this time for sure. So I have this team with files, with tabs, with post. You know, it's a normal team with several channels. Okay, so now how do I archive the team? So I go back here, manage my teams, because I cannot do it from the team, which is weird, but that's how it is. So I'm gonna just look for it. And then here I have the three little dots that show me several features, like I can manage all my team from there and add members, add team, manage my team, add channels, etc. But I can archive a team. If I'm not the owner of a team, so let's go a team I don't own, I don't see the archive team here because I'm not the owner. But when I'm the owner, I can archive a team. So what I'm gonna do is this, and let's see what happens then. So let's archive this team. I sure. So what happens here? There's an option to say make the SharePoint site read-only for Teams members. So I can turn this. This will freeze all team activity, but you'll still be able to remove members and update roles. And I can go to manage team. So it's pretty straightforward. And I can click here to make, the SharePoint read only so people don't alter it, my documents. So I'm going to archive the team. And so it will take some time. You see, it's not there anymore. And if I go there, there's two sections, active and archived. So here's my team. My archive team is here. So now if I'm going to this team, so I go there, I still have access to the team, but as you can see, I cannot type anything. I cannot do anything here. I cannot reply, I cannot add a new message. What about the files? So can I do a new document? So yes, I can because I'm an owner. But if I was a user, I hope I won't be able to do it because it's in read-only. For other than owners, it will be read-only. That's why I checked the checkbox. So people won't be able to post, including the owner. People should not be able to modify documents except for the owner. And let's see if my team is still in the tray. So there should be a demo somewhere. Where is it? No, I don't see it anymore. So it's going to be hard for people to find the team because it's not there anymore. As you can see, I don't see another demo here. I think it was just above this one. So now if I go back to the team and I say, okay, I'm going to the archive team, can I rehydrate my team so I can restore a team? So it's take a while, it goes back here. So now I should see it, but now I guess it's at the end of the list or somewhere. Where is my demo HR? Oh, I don't see it. So maybe it's hidden. So let's see if it's in my hidden teams. Oh, I think I saw it. So when you rehydrate your team, restore your team, it's not in hidden team, so it's there. I should find it. Here it is. And now I can say show. And now I should have it in my teams. And maybe this time it's at the end. Oh no? Where is it then? Where is it? Demo, 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 demo. Oh, it's just above. So it came back at the same place that it was. So that way you can, archive or restore. Here you can see I cannot archive from here. And now if I go to the general channel, can I post again? Hello. Okay, I'm gonna click somewhere else, general channel. Yeah, I can start a new post. You see before, and obviously I can modify the documents because I was able to do it. So apparently when you archive a team and you need to be owner, then you can still modify documents um, because you're the owner, but users won't be able to modify or create documents. They will only be able to read the documents if they can find the documents because it's not there in their tray anymore. They will have to search in SharePoint. Um, and you can restore the team and it will restore everything and then you're back on track and you can start new posts. So there's different scenarios when you want to archive a team. If a team is becoming too much noise, you can archive it so nobody can post anything, and you can block in read-only mode the documents or not. So that's one scenario. Too much noise on the team. Uh, and another scenario is you're finished with your team and you want to archive your team and you don't want people to alter any documents except for the owner. They need to know that they'll be able to modify those documents. So then there's all the steps you can take is, for example, you can go in the files. If you really finish with archiving your teams, so you can go into the files through SharePoint and then move the folders somewhere. So you might want to say, okay, I want to move uh, all my files, and I can copy them somewhere or move them somewhere. I don't know why I don't see move here. Um, it's a little bit weird, so I'm gonna go there. Hope I can do it here. I can just copy. It's interesting. So I thought I will be able to move things. Let's see if I can move here. Yeah, I can move per when I select a file, but apparently I cannot move when I select a folder, which is really weird. Oh, yeah, I can. It's just several folder. It won't like several folders. So I need to do one folder, the one channel here, but per channel. So it makes sense because channels are different. So yeah, I might want to move my channels in different SharePoint sites. So I don't know if it's a reason, but you can move things in a final destination when you want to store your knowledge base. For example, all the documents folders you have. So that's the next step of archiving a team, I will say, is if you're sure you don't want to use it anymore, but you want to keep the documents, but you don't care about the message, you can move in a more centralized place like SharePoint. Hope this was insightful.